Hey everybody! Have you ever felt like the spark in your relationship was fading? It happens to the best of us. Relationships can be tricky, but understanding a bit about psychology can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the psychology of attraction and give you practical, research-backed methods to reattract that special someone. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to relationship revival. Get ready to take some notes. Chapter 1, Because You're Worth It. Alright, let's talk about you for a second. Yes, you. You are amazing just the way you are. But guess what? You have the potential to be even more amazinger. It's like when you order a pizza with extra cheese. It's already delicious, but that extra cheese just takes it to a whole new level. Self-improvement isn't about becoming a completely different person. It's about investing in yourself and becoming the best version you can be. Think of it like this. Remember that drawer in your house where you shove everything you don't know what to do with? It's time to clean out that drawer. Dust off your goals, pick up those hobbies you've been neglecting, and start taking care of yourself, both physically and mentally. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. You radiate confidence, and that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. Self-improvement is like that fabulous outfit for your soul. It makes you feel good from the inside out, and that positive energy, it's contagious. So whether it's hitting the gym, learning a new language, or finally tackling that pottery class you've been eyeing, do something for you. Because when you invest in yourself, you're not just improving your life, you're making yourself irresistible. And trust me, your partner will notice. Chapter 2. It's like talking, but better. You know what they say, communication is key. It's like the WD-40 of relationships. It can smooth over any rough patch and make everything run a whole lot smoother. But here's the catch. It's not just about talking, it's about effective communication. Think of it like a tennis match. You hit the ball, your partner hits it back, and so on. But instead of a tennis ball, you're volleying words, thoughts, and feelings. One of the biggest mistakes people make in relationships is they spend more time thinking about what they're going to say next instead of really listening to what their partner is saying. So, how do you become a communication champion? First, put those listening ears on. Give your partner your undivided attention, make eye contact, and really try to understand their perspective. And when it's your turn to talk, choose your words carefully. Because at the end of the day, a relationship without effective communication is like a phone without service. You can hold it in your hand, but you can't really connect with anyone. Chapter 3. Because absence makes the heart grow fonder and less suffocated. Okay, so you're working on yourself, you're communicating like a pro, but something's still missing? Well, it might be time to give your partner a little space. I know, it sounds counterintuitive. You're probably thinking, Ellen, if I give her space, she's going to forget all about me. But trust me on this one. Giving your partner space isn't about giving up. It's about giving them the opportunity to miss you. Think of it like your favorite pair of jeans. You love wearing them, but you don't wear them every single day, do you? No! Because if you did, they'd get stretched out, faded, and let's be honest, a little smelly. Relationships are the same way. Everyone needs a little time to themselves to recharge their batteries, pursue their own interests, and just breathe. So, how do you give space the right way? Well, it's all about finding a healthy balance. Encourage your partner to spend time with friends, pursue their hobbies, or just have some solo time. And while they're doing their thing, you do yours. Remember, giving space is a sign of trust and respect. Chapter 4. Because nothing says romance like a good old-fashioned tax audit? Okay, maybe not. Remember the early days of your relationship? You couldn't get enough of each other. You tried new things together, you laughed together, you even cried together during that one really sad commercial about a lost puppy. Those shared experiences are what create a strong bond between two people. But as time goes on, it's easy to fall into a rut. You're both busy with work, errands, and let's face it, scrolling through social media. And before you know it, you're spending most of your nights on opposite ends of the couch, silently judging people on Love is Blind. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. The good news is, it's never too late to rekindle that spark. And the best way to do that is by creating new shared experiences. Cook a meal together, go for a hike, take a dance class, anything that gets you out of your routine and creates new memories. The important thing is to make time for each other and to approach every experience with a sense of adventure and playfulness. Remember, relationships should be fun, so go out there, explore the world together, and create some memories that will last a lifetime. Chapter 5, because everyone likes a little pat on the back, even if it's your own. Appreciation and gratitude. You know that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when someone tells you they appreciate you? Yeah, well, your partner craves that feeling too. It's like watering a plant. A little appreciation goes a long way in keeping a relationship healthy and thriving. But here's the thing. Showing appreciation isn't just about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about noticing and acknowledging the little things your partner does every day. It's about saying thank you for the coffee they made you, for taking out the trash, or for just being their awesome selves. And don't just think it, say it. Express your gratitude verbally, leave a sweet note, or send a text message just to say I'm thinking of you. Trust me, those small gestures mean the world. Take some time to reflect on all the good times you've shared, the challenges you've overcome together, and the love and support you have for each other. Because when you focus on the positive aspects of your relationship, it's like putting on rose-colored glasses. Everything just seems a little brighter and more beautiful. Chapter 6, because you're a catch and don't you forget it. Confidence. Confidence, my friends, is the sexiest accessory you can wear. It's more attractive than a brand new car, a designer outfit, or even a lifetime supply of free guacamole. Confidence is about believing in yourself, knowing your worth, and not being afraid to shine. It's about owning your quirks, embracing your flaws, and rocking what you've got, even if what you've got is a little wonky. Now, building confidence takes time and effort. It's like learning to ride a bike. You're going to fall down a few times, but eventually you'll find your balance and be cruising down the street like a pro. So, how do you build your confidence? Start by focusing on your strengths. What are you good at? What makes you unique? What do you bring to the table? Make a list of all your amazing qualities and read it every single day. Remember, confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, it inspires others to believe in you too. Chapter 7, because life's too short to be a grumpy Gus or Gloria. Positive attitude. You know what's more attractive than a chiseled jawline or a perfectly toned physique? A positive attitude. It's like a breath of fresh air on a stuffy day. It can instantly lighten the mood and make everyone around you feel good. Think about it. Would you rather spend time with someone who's constantly complaining or someone who's optimistic and upbeat? The answer is obvious. Nobody likes a negative Nancy. Now, I'm not saying you have to be happy all the time. Life throws curveballs, and it's okay to feel sad, frustrated, or even a little bit grumpy sometimes. But it's how you handle those negative emotions that makes all the difference. Instead of dwelling on the negative, try to focus on the positive. When you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, reframe them in a more positive light. Surround yourself with positive people, engage in activities that bring you joy, and practice gratitude daily. Because when you focus on the good gets better. Well, there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of self-improvement and effective communication to the power of giving space, shared interests, appreciation, confidence, and a positive attitude. Remember, relationships take work, but they're also incredibly rewarding. By implementing these psychology-backed methods, you can re-attract that special someone and build a stronger, healthier, and happier relationship. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice, and share this video with your friends.